The solid waste management plant at the Saligaon Plateau is nearing completion and should be ready for operation by the year end, the Goa State Infrastructure Development Corporation has said.
The plant, which will handle 100 tons of garbage every day, will be based on a German technology and will cost the state government a whopping 148 crore rupees, including the shed and the machinery. The GSIDC Managing Director Sanjeev Roderick said that the work on the plant was proceeding as per the schedule and would be completed ahead of time.
Progress is in schedule. We will complete the project. 18 months we were supposed to complete it by the end of this year. We will try to complete it before that. 100 tons per day, per shift.
Kalangut legislator Michael Lobo, who has played a crucial role of pursuing the project, said that the project would bring respite to the tourism industry.
Say around 40 tons of garbage is being generated. That is wet and dry waste. 40-50 tons. Season time it becomes 50-60 tons. Kandolim, Shinkerim, Kalangut, Baga, Arpora, Nagua. This is where the hotel industry is there. This is where the restaurants are there, guest houses are there. And all this waste is just being dumped.
He said that the plant will be fully air conditioned and will be self-sustaining on electricity. He said the land identified is perfect for the project as there are no houses in the vicinity.
Project is coming into a reality. This is being built by Goa State Infrastructure Development Corporation. This is the superstructure which we are building. The entire cost of this project is 148 crores plus around 15 crores what we spent to acquire this land. This is the fastest land acquisition which ever took place in the history of Goa. And we did it on fast track because of the garbage, because of the accumulated garbage which is happening on the Kalangut beach, Kandolim, Baga, Shinkerim, all the beaches of Goa. Coastal belt garbage. It will take 12 months from today. This is what I feel, but GSIDC says it is in December. We will be very much happy if it starts in 1st of January, that is 2016. We will be happy.